10:55.
The sand in my toes as I sip on a creamy coconut ice cup. Before Shopify, did you find yourself wondering, where are my sales at? But now you're selling with Shopify, the global commerce platform supercharging your sales. In person, on social media, and beyond.
Just past the Anchorage landfill, and once you're in Anchorage, Minnesota northbound now, fairly slow from Tudor through Spenard Road. That's Bailey's Furniture time saver traffic.
Yes, there is life in outer space.
On K-Whale.
And the tasty treats are rolling in now. Thank you for listening to the program. Lop Rock Radio Show. It's KWHL Anchorage. It is 6:56 on the Nads. By the way, what? That's a good word. I love it. The cops are in Eagle River, by the way, both directions. That's where they're headed. They're pulling people over.
Hello, boys.
So take your time. Be cool. I would say like 73 is kind of the threshold there.
You know, we like the boys in blue for sure.
We love the boys in blue.
Yeah, we do.
Big fans.
You
Absolutely.
think when they're listening to us and we give out their hide spots that they kind of smile and laugh about it?
Absolutely. Oh, yeah.
You think so?
Of course.
Okay.
They know not everyone's listening to us.
Don't pull me over, dude.
No, they're like, ha-ha, we're going to get those country listeners today.
Nice.
So, yeah, so take your time, Eagle River. There's a speed truck. Anyway, we got some Jelly Roll requested here.
Love that new album.
Yeah, it says you would like Downstate Kingdom.
Huh?
All right, downstate. Is it downstate or is it downstairs? Is that a typo, Scott? I don't know.
Downstate.
It says downstate.
Okay.
Jeremy Renner. You'd like to hear some more Jeremy Renner? You know what? I'm not opposed to that.
Oh, yeah.
We might just play
do
that.
it.
We might just play that. If you haven't heard the actor Jeremy Renner sing, dude, I mean, he, like you had mentioned, when I heard that, I was like, he sounds like he's a singer that just decided to act. Not an actor that decided to sing.
It wasn't like just entry-level singing.
Correct.
Skill.
It was. I would buy a ticket to go see this guy.
Definitely.
Dude, let's work on that. Let's see how much he is. I bet you he's not that expensive. I bet you Jeremy Renner would like. I bet you he's
Well,
not.
he probably doesn't need as much as the other guy.
Well, I have never met him. He's okay?
Oh, I didn't realize the exit to the church was closed. I'm sorry.
But I bet he's in the 35 or 40 range.
I was gonna head to the church. I saw they were paving. I was like, oh crap.
Well, if you go up on the
Bare Naked
sidewalk,
Ladies
you
by
can
half
get back to the
$1,000,000.
church.
Right here?
Yeah, go right
So
here, but you can't
there was
get
one
across
last
the
week that
bridge.
was requested.
Okay, all right. I'll be careful though. Yep.
Brought us by the deal of it.
Will do. Thank you.
I don't know.
Man.
They got a little too regular for this fucking
Okay.
But
I will promise you this, you will like it.
okay.
I was turned on to it last week, and I gave it a listen. Like, this is
Is it the reggae 311 though, or is it like that?
It's a little more down. It's a little bit. You don't like it. It's far enough away from the reggae 311 that you will dig it. It's a really good song.
Okay.
And it's a good song for today.
Perfect.
All right. And out of the blue, my man just said, hey, do we have Educated Man in the system? I'm like, Hobo Jim?
Yes.
I mean, yeah, we have every song known to man. It's right there at my fingertips. He goes, can we just play that?
Yeah.
I go, just because? He goes, yeah, I just want to hear it. Dude, Say No More.
Nice.
My buddy who I say good morning to every single day, Hobo Jim.
There were a few books on his shelf. Same grade.